Hi guys, so let's solve this log question today. Right, so we have log base 3 4 minus 2x plus log base 3x is less than and equals to 2. Now because it is 2 and all other terms are in log to the base 3, let's convert this to log base 3 and that will become log base 3 9. Alright, so now we have the common log base, right? So what we can do is we can simplify the left hand side a little bit more because it is plus in between. That means we can multiply the term. So we can do log base 3 4 minus 2x times x is less than equals to log base 3 9. So because it is log base 3 on both sides, we can say that 4 minus 2x times x is less than equals to 9, right? Now let's expand the bracket. 4x minus 2x squared is less than equals to 9, and let's put them in a proper form. So we will get 2x squared minus 4x plus 9 is less than equals to 0, right? So we are left with the quadratic at the end. When we solve this quadratic with the formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, or you can just find the discriminant because that will let us know if we have real solutions or not. Right? So if we find the discriminant, we will get minus 4 squared minus 4 times a times c, which will give us 16 minus 8 times 9, 72, which gives us minus 56. And because it is a negative number, we know that there are no real roots here. Right, so if there are no real roots, this quadratic is not going to help us to find those x values. So what do we do in that case is we go back to our question, and we know that in this the value of log base 3, or this main number here, should always be positive for logs, and this x should always be positive as well, right? So we can do 4 minus 2x should be positive, means it should be greater than 0. When we solve that, we can say minus 2x is greater than minus 4, and then when we divide by minus 2 on both sides, remember when we divide by a negative number, the sign changes, so you will have x is less than 2. So that is your first value, and the next value itself says x is greater than 0, right? So the two numbers is that will validate that equation is x is greater than 0 and is less than 2. So now that we have got a range of x values, we have to check is it going all right with the equation that we've got. So here we had that equation 4x minus 2x is less than equals to 9, and we can see that our range of values is less than and equals to, like, is less than 9, right? And that was the condition that it needs to be less than or equals to 9, right? So equals to 9 wasn't working because they were giving us no real roots, whereas these two values are less than 9. I hope it makes sense. Great. Have a good day.